Okay, Gracie, here we are. Well, where are we? First of all, we're in the beautiful little town of Pittsfield, Massachusetts. If you know Western Mass, I'm sure you know Pittsfield. But they are famous for their special own style of hot dogs. I don't think they call them Coney Island hot dogs here. They're kind of like little guys. So I got some, and we're gonna do a little review. The place is pretty old school in there. Actually, if I lived around here, I probably would be going in there a lot. It's like an old school bar selling hot dogs. I'm not sure if they have other stuff that they sell, but pretty flippin' cool. So we're on the Triumph today. It's a little crooked. There are a bunch of bikes out. It's been a beautiful day on two wheels. A couple hours from home. A little bag. There's 3 hot dogs in there. This might be where they call them gaggers, I think. Let's see. Pretty messy. Can you see that? There's 2. How the hell they did this? Oh, here we go. Okay. It's not pretty, but it looks pretty damn good. So, one bite, everyone knows the rules. Tio's, Pittsfield, Mass. Coney Island. Even the dogs are little tiny things. Not bad. One bite. Lots of onions. I can see this place being super popular with drinking and eating hot dogs. Lots of snap to the dogs too. I apologize. I'm talking with my mouth full. Shouldn't be doing that. But look at this little guy. It's like a little mini dog. A little bun. It fit in the bun perfectly. I think they're fried. Looks like a big grill in there. The sauce is pretty good. I'm liking these. Not the best area. Pittsfield is one of those towns. It's kind of a crappy town to ride your motorcycle through, but all around here is beautiful. The town right below us, Richmond, West Stockbridge, Alfred, all beautiful roads. Love it. I've been riding around here all day. And I'm on my way home. Figured I'd stop here. So, I highly recommend Tio's Hot Dogs, Pittsfield. Give it a try. Bon appetit.